Well, I told you, right? Managing things in Procreate is very easy. So now let's take a look at how to create our canvases, and so go ahead and hit the plus sign to the top right of the screen and it brings up the new canvas window. We have few options here. We have screen size option at the top first, and you have another options that I have been using in this iPad for long. So any images actually you create will be following these dimensions. Now let's take a look at how to create a custom canvas. You can enter the values of the width and height and also the DPI from the number pad given below. Let's rename this canvas into A3 size file. So even though I already have a A3 file, I will just demonstrate it on how to create this A3 size file. Here you go. Your new design sheet is ready, which will follow your custom size. Now whatever canvases you have created will appear on the canvas menu and you can use it anytime you require. Now let's go ahead and create another canvas size. Now this time an A4 size. Now specifying the dimensions. And yes, don't forget to name the canvas. Otherwise it will create a mess out of your canvas menu. So delete all the presets that you do not require. And it's always a good practice to declutter your design workspace. So just go ahead and delete all the blank sheets that you find and it will look nice. You can actually delete the canvas by just swiping to the left and click delete. So in the next lesson we will try to create a new custom canvas and we'll go more deep into it. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. We got more for you. You can find this course in Udemy. So please check out the link below in the description. See you then. Bye.